Hello guys, welcome to Banks Tech. Today, we are coming to learn about how to download videos on X or Twitter for free without any hindrance or difficulties. Let's get started. Go to X or Twitter, click on the preferred video you want to download, click on share and then click on copy link. When the link is copied, go to any web browser of your kind. So I chose Google. And now search SSS Twitter Video Downloader. Click on the first website. Now paste the link you copied on white space provided and click on download. Now, you have four options. Is either you download the one with normal video quality, download HD, download 480 x 852, and also convert to MP3. So let's click on normal download. That is the first one. When is done downloading, you can go to photos or click on open in folder to view the video. Like, share, and subscribe for any latest updates. And remember to leave a comment please. Note this